Good. Then we're going to cover the next step. And the next step is to choose a proper IDE. Nowadays there are a lot of options to choose from. One is Visual Studio Code. So you can just look via Google for VS Code download, and then you find the right download page and can install it for your system. Nothing specific here to mention, just a standard installation, and you should be ready to go. The same holds for Cursor. That is the one that I'm currently using. Cursor download. So you can head over to cursor.com and then select the system that you have and download it and install it. Good. Then we should be ready and have the second step covered.